Hey guys, it's me Elena. I'm here again with another doll unboxing with you. This time it's recently released from a Japanese doll company VOLKS superdollfie BJD Lieselotte. 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 She's an antique store worker, which we clearly can see from her outfit. This doll actually the second release using this theme. The first one was girls Lucy and Mia in 2018. This time, aside from Lieselotte, there was cute Charlotte and beautiful Lucia. Let's not waste any time and move on to the unboxing. But before that, don't forget to subscribe. It's not difficult for you, but will make a huge impact in what I'm doing. The box is brown in color with a very vintage look to it. On the front there is a big sticker with a portrait of Lieselotte. Here we see that this version of this doll is a collaboration with Galerie de l'Esprit. This is made for their 15th anniversary. As I understood, Galerie de l'Esprit is a fashion brand, but I couldn't find more information about it. So if you're familiar with it and its history, please let me know in the comments down below. The lid is separated with a black and white stripes into two parts. On the right is simple polka dot pattern, while on the left is a very interesting vintage pattern with different elements. I enjoyed just studying all of them carefully. Here is jam, cats, teapots, roses and a lot of other little details. The bottom part of the box, unlike the lid, is not smooth. It's matte finish brown cardboard. On one of the sides we see another sticker with the doll's portrait. Here's information about her price, which is 104,500 yen on the day of the release, and that this doll is made in Japan. There is a voluminous bag of different papers. First of all, of course, is a guidebook to the superdollfie world. It contains all the basic information which will be especially useful for beginners. Another two papers with information about ordering limited to the Lieselotte owner's items, her wig, hands and blushing. I'm especially excited about hands, as the VOLKS website allows you to freely order only 4 types of hands. There is also a booklet with information about how to get different maintenance services like face-up renewal. Or even more information for beginners, just the absolute minimum like how to put doll's wig on. And finally, a Lieselotte specific paper. On the front there is a big portrait of the doll. On the back, more information about the doll, set contents and order in which to put her outfit on. Her boots are probably one of the prettiest I've gotten with the doll. They are dark brown with some light brown curved decorations. There is a lacing on the front and strap with a buckle decoration on the top. You can actually loosen it. Everything is fully functioning. Boots have a light brown platform and high heels. The heel is an amazing addition to the whole look. It is curved and reminds me of some vintage furniture legs. The sole is also light brown. Those boots fastened with zippers from behind. Her wig is very silky dark brown. It has straight bangs and some longer locks on sides. It is long with big spring curls. The wig cap is black. Even if it's the second superdollfie with dark brown color I got, I still really love that they chose this color for her. Her lingerie is also very beautifully done. It is made from a white material with glossy stripes. The panties have ruffles on the top, some gathered net and mint bow on the front. As for the bra, it also has gathered net decorations around cups and mint bow on the front. The strap is decorated with wavy laces and not stretchy at all. Behind the bra is made of a net and fastens with a hook. The cups are double sewn and I can feel that they are soft inside. Unlike Rena's head from When They Cry, another unboxing which you can find on my channel, this beret is made of a very thin fabric. It makes it hold shape not as well, but I assume it will be a lot easier to put it on the doll's head and style it. The material is soft and thin velvet. Inside it has a thin black lining. Here also the tag of the brand Galerie de l'Esprit. For decoration on the side of the head there are multiple folded net pieces with some velvet dots. Attached to it are 2 black beads and yellow and white gems. A bit lower is a green bow. On the side, a vintage patch is sewn to the hat. It looks to me like a mirror in a beautiful golden frame with a red bow. We actually already saw this mirror on the box before, among other illustrations. The socks are grey, striped and semi-transparent. They are also stretchy. They will be lower than the doll's knees, but long enough to be visible from the boots. Lieselotte's blouse is of a light beige color. It has very interesting flared sleeves with some brown bows. The bows are fixed only at one point and can be easily untightened. Underneath the bows there is a string. The standing collar has a tiny gentle laces. The blouse has a laced white part on the top which goes all around. A bit lower it's decorated with more laces and frills. The blouse has on the front 3 beige plastic buttons which are just imitations, and actually the blouse is fastened on snaps on the front. Inside all seams are very accurate and we see again the brand tag. Her scarf is a very nice addition to the outfit. It is very light and semi-transparent. It has white and black stripes and on the corners little black or white beads are sewn to it. The corset is another important element of her outfit. It has brown adjustable straps with metallic buckles. The front part and decorative horizontal elements are made from the same material. This material reminds me of suede but has more of a fabric feel to it. On the front there are black decorative square beads, 3 on the left and 3 on the right. The rest of the corset has the same pattern as it was on the box, but the background is green and added gold and red colors. Behind it has 3-hole lacing with black ribbon. Inside of the corset there is a white cotton lining, even if the corset is not going to tie the doll's body. There is also, as with other clothes, a brand tag. Additionally, for doll's hair styling, they included 2 black metallic hairpins. They are very small and look very realistic. Finally, let's look at the doll's long pleated skirt. It is made from a brown, slightly shimmering fabric. It is very thick and rough to the touch. On the wrong side, this material is on opposite, soft and white. On the side of the front and back, there are little strap decorative elements. They fix on corners with old gold metallic rivets. There are also 2 straps with metallic buckles connecting 2 sides of the skirt. Between them there is a piece of green fabric, same as on the corset. The skirt fastens on the side with 2 hooks and metallic snap. For each hook there are 3 loops to choose from. You can make it tighter or bigger to fit, for example, a blouse inside. Inside the bag there was also the Galerie de l'Esprit business card. On the back is a bit of information about them, which, to be honest, is not very informative. It says that this brand is for fashion lovers, and their motto is, "The fashion is like the art, reflecting the spirit." Lieselotte has a white skin tone. Her face is very cute with a little bit of an open mouth with visible white teeth. Her eyes are green and she has a very long black eyelashes. Overall, her face-up is natural with almost straight light brown eyebrows. Her lips are painted in such a way that they look voluminous. Behind the head is a classical VOLKS plate with the year and place I got her at the doll party 45. The inside is familiar hot glue to affix her eyes. Her body is an SD body and it is extremely simple in terms of flexibility. The knees have only one joint. It's very strange to me considering that the elbows are double jointed. Why not make something similar? The torso doesn't have any joints, it's just a monolith. I've never had a doll without any joints in the torso. I'm trying to think about the positive point that it might offer. It is sculpted very nicely, it even has visible ribs, which I love. So if your back or any other part of the body will be visible, it would look natural on photos. I still prefer the SD graffiti body, but I think this one is not a bad option thanks to the nice sculpting. There was another item on sale separately, made by the same brand. This is a set of boots and mini hat box. I couldn't skip it as I thought it would be a great addition to the Lieselotte style. This is called a hat box, but I think it could work as usual bag too. It is round, made from a brown faux leather material and has a heart shape. On both sides there are roses and a frame patches sewn to it. The same illustration we could find on the box and on the skirt. Around the front part is a thin stripe made from a black fabric. A handle is attached to the bag with clasps. Closer to the bag there are metallic gold chains. Those are trendy too. The handle itself is also made from the same material as the bag, and its length can be adjusted thanks to a real buckle. To one of the sides are attached decorations on the chains. Two black cube-shaped beads with little round beads and a brown leather tassel. The box opens with a brown zipper. Inside it has a black and white fabric lining. The boots are also laced up as the original boots and have the same color scheme, dark and light brown. On the front there are little fringe decoration. On the side the boots have a little cameo in a golden frame. Streaming down from it runs black ribbon with silver edges. Those boots are also high heel but more simplistic. The sole is black. It fastens the same way with a zipper from behind. Overall they are more pointed than the boots from the Lieselotte set. Which one do you like the most? So this is a new big member of my dolly family. I had never felt before like I wanted Lieselotte, especially considering her high price on the second-hand market. However, when Volks announced her release, my FOMO took control of me. Do I regret it? No. I think she is overly cute and beautiful doll. I especially loved her outfit, which was carefully designed by brand Galerie de l'Esprit. What do you think about her? Have you ever bought a doll due to FOMO? Did you regret it? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button, heart button, star button, all the buttons not to miss any new doll related videos. Love dolls and con con!